Good morning everyone. It's Thursday and this is third day natin. So maaga, medyo maaga pa pero breakfast muna kami dun sa beach club. Pickleball. Doon na namin sila hintayin sa mauna na kami then papareserve na kami. Let's go. Here now at Pico, Hamilton Coast. So punta kami ngayon sa beach club. I-meet up namin sila Chito and Neri. And siguro doon na kami kukuha ng ticket. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, oh, look, there's so many people. Stand na, binibigyan kami Hispanic. Oh yes, oo.
So one-way lang.
And the wristband. Dito na kami sa unit. And binaba muna namin lahat ng mga gamit namin dito para dalhin sa unit ni Chito. We're here back in the beach club. Nalagay na namin lahat ng gamit. So we're just gonna order muna.
Ticket.
What's that?
I'm your brother, Dash. What's that? I'm your brother. No. Dude, what's that? Mickey,
I'm with the kids. Hello. Nandun kami sa kabila. Nila Nerla Chito. Dito ang mga kids. Hello girls. You wanna eat now?
Oh, you did the BTS thing? I thought something.
Okay, this is the kids' room.
Bro, obviously.
See? Is that where you're gonna sleep? Where's Mishka? I see Mishka Sophia. How about you? Where you gonna? Oh.
I know what. Where do I sleep?
Okay. Nice. Big.
You want to sleep on the
Let's see.
floor or the couch? Okay, then go.
A bathroom, big bathroom. Nice. See, it's all like Nathan has like that one also, Kashi.
Huh? With no pedal?
Yeah, with no pedal.
Yes.
Okay, we're going to a country club. What's your agenda? You gonna go to the beach?
Yeah, and then maybe we'll go to the country club as well with you guys. But for sure, going to the beach.
Yeah, and me and Anna are going to have a breakfast. And the big boys, the big kids are going to play volleyball and badminton.
Yeah.
Whoa!
I'm
Next.
scared. It doesn't feel anything.
Why?
What time you guys slept last night?
12.
Wow,
We were waiting for April Fool.
Oh no.
April
The golf cart going to our or the beach club. Hi, Marita. It's like pastries, coffee. Okay, we're here now at the country club. We're just gonna look for how to go downstairs. Beautiful weather. Gotta have breakfast first. Nathan, are you hungry? It's arrived. What do you have, Nathan? French fries? Your favorite? Wow. Okay, after this, we're gonna go play pickleball. Yeah, let's go now. May bowling, may pickleball, billiards, badminton. hanapin natin ang mga kalaban natin sa pickleball. Oh, there we go. That's them. Neri, Chito. Uy, ang gagaling, oh. Gagaling, oh. Nakakatakot kalaban tong mga to, ah. Playing time, but later I'm gonna play with you.
I'm gonna battle this dude.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay na ako. Kanino kami? Kaya kami ni Ninang. Kayo ni ano? Ni Neri. Grabe, girls versus boys. Hindi. Kayo ni Chito, kami ni Ninang. We played 3 games. So, yung first 2 games is kami dalawa ni Chito against Neri. So, 1-1. Then kami naman ni Pia. At si Chito at si Nikki naman magkakampi. And we won. There you go. Okay, it's kids against the girls. Girls are playing badminton. Are you a badminton player, Pia? Oh. Lunchtime. Okay. Okay lang habang naghihintay kami ng aming golf cart. Okay, ang aming service. Okay. Tayo na susunod. Good afternoon, guys. So ito yung mga unit namin. First, ito yung sa mga kids. Ito yung sa amin, yung Laana. And ito sila Chito sa office. Ang sasaya, magkakatabi kami. So halos bukas na ng mga pinto para hindi na kailangan ilock. So very safe naman. Kasi kami kabilang dinahan dito. Yeah, so now we're gonna go to beach club for swimming and frisbee. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Nathan.
He's awake.
You're awake. Ito yung sura ng unit. Ito very cozy. Pero magulo. Okay. Patayin ko muna yung aircon. We change our wristband to blue. Yellow kahapon. Good. Nathan's there. Nathan! Here. Who are you following? They're going to do a frisbee. Go, 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 guys! Ang daming tao ngayon sa beach. Go, Larry. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. What's that, Nathan? What you guys playing? Kashi, what you guys playing? Whoa! 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 Ano muna kami for dinner? Looking for a burrito.
Second bottle namin. Second picture. Kasi lang mag-order sila. Pero si separate namin bill separate.
Ano sa'yo, Ana?
Like kayo with your parents instead of on your own with your
With your classmate.
with your friends. Para when that time comes that they invite you, hindi na siya new thing. Like, parang babait naman ng mga teenagers ito, parang walang kalokohan ah.
Okay, the big kids and the dads are playing volleyball. Ako, like, pag ganyan yung time. Early, yung too bright, I cannot see. Oh. Siya naman,
Kanina to, kanina.
ako makulimlim.
Hmm.
Yung makulimlim
Kasi
yung
kay
ganyan.
Eric tsaka kay ano. Laro na ako sa Facebook.
Hindi, magaling ka naman.
Inang ikaw, dali!
Pati ako.
Go, go, go. Go, Ina. Ah!
Ah, seryoso na. Kasi ikaw sumagot, sabog yung buhangin sa mukha mo.
Wow.
Ito, imaginary net ha, imaginary net.
So we're gonna go home. So, balik na ulit sa condo. Where's Nathan? There we go. So it's up to you. Do you want to shower? Go. Okay. Okay, we're back in the kids' room. Look at their space. So, good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, and this is third day natin. So maaga, medyo maaga pa, pero breakfast muna kami dun sa beach club. Is that beach club? No. Sa country club. And look at that outfit of the day. Ready for pickleball. Doon na namin sila hintayin sa mauna na kami, then magpapareserve na kami. Let's go! Yung ano?
Yung pressure.
Yeah.
I also have the same sprinklers, but they don't flow like that. They're like,
Kami na nag-swimming. It's only 10 o'clock. Narandado niya. Coffee, tea time and coffee. Naghihintay kami for our pickleball. Magbo-bowling muna tong mga big kids. What size are you, Pia?
I'm 6 or 5.
Wow! Kalaro ko ngayon si Ninang. Expert siya ng billiards. Yes, yes. 1-1 yung score namin ni Ninang. No? Magaling din si Ninang. Ngayon yung mga kids playing their bowling. Sino kaya lamang? Uy, lamang si Mishka. 61 points. Si Ino. Nice. 3 all. Wow! Vamos inasal. Chicken. Wow, okay. Ano yan? Bangus inasal? Okay, it's 5:30 in the afternoon. Grabe ang daming tao to, no? So, and Nathan is playing sa sand. Okay ba, Nathan? Favorite mo dito? So busy. And the other kids are there. So si Sophia. Hi, Via! Watch Nathan. Nag-water activities din yung mga kids kanina kasama si Tito Chito. And I don't know, sobrang enjoy daw. Bukas magbabanana boat ride sila. Yung mga water activities. Swimming time since bawal na sa beach. So lahat nag-move na dito sa pool area. Go, Nathan!
Already set the marker. Follow. I'm actually not looking underwater.
Go, Nathan!
I lost them there.
Where they have? Nag-brown out, grabe dito sa Pico. Where's Leah? Leah! Hold on, this is a video. Okay, come closer.
Yeah, pabato nga isang lake.